As children of the Depression, Marie and Cliff Long lived frugally and invested wisely. Cliff died in 2003. Madeline and Jeanette are Marie's sisters.
How much money did your sister have saved?
They say about $1.3 million.
$1.3 million, enough to last the rest of Marie's life, or so the couple thought. With Marie in declining health, there were no children. Her daughter died of cancer at age 16, her son in Vietnam. To make decisions on her finances and care, the court appointed a guardian, an agency called the Sun Valley Group. First, as guardian, Sun Valley's owners, Peter and Heather Frenette, hired themselves to provide Marie's personal care. That way, they collected not only guardian fees, but up to $15,000 a month in companion care fees, too. When a Sun Valley worker started a fire in Marie's kitchen, Marie was charged for 4 employees to confer about it. The rate, up to $105 per hour for each worker. When another Sun Valley worker locked herself out of Marie's house, $85 an hour for each employee who conferred about that. Sun Valley found a dozen ways to charge Marie to get her own weekly petty cash. They charged to prepare the cash, confer about it, review the status, draft a letter to the courier, call the courier, pay the courier. You get the idea. And just look at what Sun Valley charged Marie to send her and their worker to a Phoenix Suns basketball game. Over $1,000 for research, phone calls, a limo.
Couldn't a taxi cab have taken them? A limousine?
Sun Valley even charged Marie $228 to determine the effect of the game on her mood. When her sisters complained, Sun Valley hired lawyers and charged Marie for that too. Attorneys got $409,000 of Marie's money in just 4 years, and Sun Valley walked away with $430,000.
Today, what is your sister's financial status?
0. Everything's been taken from her.
We wanted to talk to Sun Valley CEO Peter Frenette, so we visited his Phoenix office.
Here to see Mr. Frenette.
Mr. Frenette is not in.
He wasn't available. In writing, Frenette said he can't discuss Marie because of litigation. He did say guardians often parachute into family battlefields. This surrounding conflict can create extraordinary fees to be incurred. The court official who appointed Sun Valley in 2005 and an appeals judge defended Sun Valley's performance. They said the limo, the grease fire, all the expenses were reasonable, necessary, and for Marie's benefit. The court even blamed Marie's sisters for complaining about it and running up costs.
The court said you're the problem.
If we wanted my sister to have good health care, if that's what run up the cost, then I'm guilty. I'm guilty.
Then so am I. Senator Herb Kohl, chairman of the Committee on Aging, says it's a national problem. His investigators found millions of dollars in money allegedly squandered or stolen by court-appointed guardians. They say Marie's case shows why new laws are needed to protect the vulnerable from their own guardians.
Unfortunately, nobody told Marie that in Arizona, as the widow of a veteran, she could have gotten a guardian for just $75 a month. She's too frail to talk to us now, but spoke to a newspaper reporter last year.
Do you wonder about your money?
Yes, but from what I hear, there isn't.
Today, Marie is 89 and now lives on Medicaid at taxpayer expense. Sun Valley withdrew as her guardian 12 days after her money ran out. Sharyl Attkisson, CBS News, Phoenix, Arizona.